Hi guys, welcome to Python tutorial. In this session we are going to learn Python sets. So Python set is a collection data type which contains an unordered collection of unique objects. That means whatever the elements you are going to add it to the set, it does not allow the duplicates, and also it may not guarantee you that insertion order of the particular sequence whichever you added to the set, and also it accepts heterogeneous data types. In this session we are going to look at the different methods which are available in the sets which help you to work with the set. So let us go ahead and start. First let us see how you can define a set. So in Python we can define in two ways. One, using the curly open curly braces, and here you can add the elements and it accepts the heterogeneous data types, okay, and closing curly braces. Now if I print the set value, then if you see here 1 2 3 4 5 Java C++, it has removed the duplicate values. Okay, so that is the first one. And another way you can define the set is set2 equal to set of, you can pass the object actually. Here let us consider I am passing the string object, then it is going to convert this to the set. If I print the set2, you see here it is going to convert the particular string into the set elements. These are two ways you can create the set. Now let us see the properties. Now if you want to add a particular element to the set, then set1 dot add, you can add an element to the set. If I print the set1, so tech is added to the set. Now in Python, set is almost equivalent to the mathematics sets. So you can, if you have the different type of sets, then you can perform the intersection, union, difference, and all these operations we can perform. So let us create a two sets. Set1 equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6, and set2 equal to, let us say 1 2 3. Now let us see what are the different operations we can perform on the sets. Set1 dot union set2. Now this is going to union of set1 and set2 elements. If you see here, it is nothing but the set1, because set2 does not have any distinct element which are not part of the set1. Hence it is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now let us see the intersection. Set1 dot intersection with set2. Now it is going to print the only the common elements between the set1 and set2. Now let us see set1 dot difference set2. Now the difference here is that 4 5 6. This is the difference. Now let us consider if you want to update the difference to the set1, then we have the method called as a set1 dot difference underscore update set2. Now what happens is, now this is going to find the difference, and that is going to update to the set1. Now let us enter. Now if I print the set1, you'll see 4 5 6. So the difference is just is going to give you the result, but difference update actually it is going to update the first set. That is the basic difference between the difference and difference update. Now similarly, if you want to add an element to the set1, we already seen add 1 set1 dot add 2. Now set1 now contains the 1 2 4 5 6. Okay, because previously set1 having the 4 5 6, now we added 1 2, so 1 2 4 5 6 we have. Now if you want to update this set, then that is also possible. Set1 dot update, and you can provide a another let us consider 987. Okay, if I print this set1 now, you will see 7 8 9 until whatever the elements we added, it will be there. Now if you want to copy the set, then using the copy function you can do set3 equal to set1 dot copy. Now if I print the set3, you can see it is a clone of it is the shallow cloning of the set1. Okay, and if you want to remove particular element, then set1 let us consider set3 dot remove, and you can pass the object. I want to remove the element 7. Now if I print the set, you don't see this element 7 here. And similarly we have one more method, 7 set3 dot, we have something called as a discard. On discard you can pass the again the element. Now again if I print this set3, you can see that 1 2 3 5 is got removed. The difference between the discard and remove is, in the case of remove, let us see set3 dot remove, I'll specify the element 100, then it is going to return us the error, because if the particular element whatever we are trying to remove from the set, it is not available, then remove method is going to throw the exception. But in the case of discard, it will does not throw any exception. So set3 dot discard of 100, then it does not throw any exception, but if you see the set, it will be as it is. Okay, so now we have seen the add, union, intersection, and difference also we have seen. And then if you want to remove the element, you have a method for set3 dot pop. Then what this method is going to do is, it is going to remove the element of the first position. So if I print the set3, this time you don't see the one element. Again if I apply the set3 dot pop, second element element 2 is removed, and if I print the set3, you'll see 4 5 8 9. And if you want to remove all the elements from this set, then set3 dot clear. This method is going to remove all the elements from the given set. So these are the frequent methods we are going to use in the set. And also we have whether we can check whether it is a superset or the subset. For example, if I print the set1, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now I am going to define another set with 1 2 4. Now ideally what happens is, set1 is a superset and set3 is the subset. Now you can verify that using the method set1 dot is superset of set3. This method now it is going to return true because set1 is superset. And similarly if you want to check the subset, set3 dot subset is subset of is subset of set1, it is also written true. And for example set3 is empty, set3 equal to, I am defining empty set now. Now what I can do is set1 dot is disjoint of set3, then it is going to return, sorry, let me there is a typo mistake, one second. So set1 dot is disjoint of set3, it is going to return true.
That means what this design method, joint method is going to do is, whatever the set we are passing, it is going to check whether it is null or not. That means, is there any null between the intersections, then automatically it is going to return true. So these are the methods which are going to help you to work with the sets, and let us see how we can navigate to the set. So if I print the set 1 to 9, it is there. By using the for loop, you can iterate through the set, and if I print I, okay, the values are there. This is how you can iterate through the set. Hope you clear with the concept of set, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.